Hey guys, Brent Cargill, Guy 05 here, and today's Walkaround look on this 2004 Honda Civic EX. And this is going to be a full end-of tour of the Civic. Start up, show the engine, for the performance data, and then show the inside, shows the outside of the car. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up, let it run. The red exterior with the brown cloth interior. And so go ahead and start up. 95,475 miles. Starts like a charm. Beep beep. Yeah. Automatic driver's window. Fog lights. Headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Now let's check the exterior, shall we? Open up the hood. Honda Vortec V8. Yeah. Let's see how this sounds. Yeah. Looks like AM/FM CD player. Garage home link, color vents, on sun, now let's check the back seat.
105.3 WFIV, Loudon, Farragut, Illinois.
Yeah. Yeah, different zones, clock boxing. So let's check the back seat. just shut it off and look at the back seat. Yeah. Look at the back seat. Car seat's back there, so cannot sit there. Power holder. Cannot look in the back seat, folks. There are car seats in here. Gas tank. There's the trunk. Nothing on it. Nice. Yeah. This car is 17 years old. This thing is a 2004. And it glove box. Yeah. Well, guys. Well, everyone. It's a walk around. Start up and walk around look on this 2004 Honda Civic EX. Stay tuned in the next time. A lot more came from. Take care, guys.